over 300 bucks today with the balloons. I'm going to sleep now, and I'm gonna step out again tomorrow and see what I can do. Try something else. So someone actually offered me a place to sleep, and as you can see, it's on the floor. I'm in between some benches and whatever. You can see it's a very, very tight spot, but I'm gonna take it. Have a lovely sleep. Thank God for everything, and remember, subscribe to this homeless cancer campaign.